Welcome to Tutor Online. New Syllabus Mathematics Book 1 7th edition, Chapter 1, Primes, Highest Common Factor and Lowest Common Multiple, Exercise 1B, Question number 15, Advanced Level. Question number 15. Michael is an art elective program student is working on another assignment. He designs a rectangular pattern measuring 45 mm by 42 mm. He is required to use identical rectangular patterns to form a square. The maximum area of the square allowed is 1.6 meters square. How many patterns does he need to form the smallest square? What are the dimensions of the largest square that he can form? Part 1. First we have to calculate the highest possible length of squares that can perfectly fit in the given rectangular sheet of dimensions 45 mm by 42 mm. So we have to calculate HCF of dimensions of rectangle that are 45 and 42. To calculate the HCF we have to calculate the factors of 45 and 42 by using prime factorization method as shown. Factors of 45 are 3, 3, and 5. And factors of 42 are 2, 3, and 7. In order to calculate HCF of these numbers we will take product of their common factors. Common factor of 45 and 42 is 3. So, HCF of 45 and 42 is 3. Since HCF is 3, so the maximum length of each square should be 3 mm, so they will form identical rectangular pattern in the given rectangular sheet. Now calculate the area of rectangular sheet. Area of rectangle is equals to length multiply by breadth. Here we have length of the rectangle equals to 45 mm, and its breadth is 42 mm. Now substitute these values in formula for area of rectangle. So, we have area of rectangular sheet that is equals to 1890 mm square. Now calculate the area of each square. Area of a square is equals to length multiply by length. We have calculated that maximum length of each square should 3 mm, so substitute this value in formula for area of square. So, the area of square is 9 mm square. Now we can calculate number of pattern needed to form a smallest square by dividing the total area of rectangular sheet by the area of each smallest square, as shown in the steps. Therefore, 210 patterns are needed to form a smallest square. Part 2. Since it is given that the largest square can have area of 1.6 meters square, we know that the area of a square is equals to length multiply by length. So, substitute the value of area in formula for the area of square to calculate length of its side as shown in steps. Taking square root on both sides as shown. Then calculate the value of square root of 1.6 by using a calculator. Therefore, the largest square has dimensions of 1.26 meters by 1.26 meters. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe our channel by clicking the button below. Also press bell icon in order to get notifications of our future videos.